Explain the construction of vertical shaft of purifier. The vertical shaft, also known as the vertical spindle, is the backbone of the purifier. It is responsible for supporting the heavy ball and transmitting high-speed rotation from the motor via the worm gear or belt drive. Because it operates at speeds up to 10,000 rpm, its construction must be highly precise to handle massive centrifugal forces and vibrations. Core components and construction. Material. It is typically made of high-tensile, forged alloy steel that is precision-ground to ensure perfect balance and resistance to fatigue. The tapered top. The very top of the shaft is tapered. The ball sits on this taper, ensuring a tight, self-centering fit. A keyway and a heavy ball nut lock the ball in place, worm gear or wheel. In gear-driven models, the lower part of the shaft is fitted with a worm wheel, or the shaft itself is machined into a worm that meshes with a horizontal motor shaft. Hollow center. Many spindles are hollow or have internal channels to allow the passage of operating water, opening or closing water, to the ball assembly. The bearing and suspension system. To handle high-speed rotation and the gyroscope effect of the ball, the shaft is supported by a specialized bearing arrangement. Top, neck, bearing. This is usually a ball bearing held in a flexible housing. It is supported by 6 to 8 radial buffer springs. These springs allow the shaft to oscillate slightly during the critical speed phase, starting or stopping, to absorb vibrations. Bottom, thrust, bearing. This is a heavy-duty ball or roller bearing that carries the entire vertical weight, axial load, of the shaft and the heavy ball. Footstep bearing. At the very bottom, there is often a thrust pad or specialized bearing that ensures the shaft remains at the correct vertical height, ball height. Lubrication and sealing. Oil sump. The lower part of the shaft is submerged in or splashed by oil from the gear case. The worm gear relies on splash lubrication or an attached oil pump neck seal. To prevent water or sludge from leaking into the gear case, a neck seal, felt ring or labyrinth seal is fitted just above the top bearing. Direct answer to Surveyor. Sir, the vertical shaft is a high-tensile alloy steel spindle that supports and rotates the ball. At the top, it has a tapered end to securely hold the ball. It is supported by two main bearings, a neck bearing at the top and a thrust bearing at the bottom. The neck bearing is fitted with buffer springs to absorb vibrations when the purifier passes through its critical speed. In the middle or bottom section, it has a worm gear which receives power from the horizontal motor shaft. Many spindles are hollow to allow operating water to reach the ball for dislodging. Important maintenance checks. Overhaul. Run-out check. During overhaul, use a dial gauge to check if the shaft is bent. Even a few microns of run-out can cause massive vibration. Taper inspection. Check the top taper for fretting or scores. If the taper is damaged, the ball will not sit squarely. Buffer spring tension. Ensure all springs have equal tension. Otherwise, the shaft will lean to one side.